Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Galaxy Watch to your Samsung S22 Ultra. First, ensure both your Galaxy Watch and your Samsung S22 Ultra are fully charged. Next, download the Samsung wearable application from the Google Play Store onto your S22 Ultra. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your Samsung S22 Ultra to prepare for the pairing process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection. Now, open the Samsung wearable application on your S22 Ultra. Within the app, select the option to Start or Add New Device. Power on your Galaxy Watch and place it very close to your S22 Ultra. A unique pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm that these codes match to proceed with the secure connection. This ensures you are connecting to the correct device. Once paired, follow the simple on-screen prompts on your S22 Ultra to finalize the setup process. You will need to grant necessary permissions for the wearable application to access features like notifications and health data. Take this opportunity to customize your watch faces, notification preferences, and app layouts. Don't forget to explore additional functionalities such as Samsung Pay or Bixby for enhanced convenience. If you encounter any connection issues, a quick restart of both your Galaxy Watch and your Samsung S22 Ultra often resolves the problem. Always ensure the Samsung wearable application is updated to its latest version for optimal performance. Additionally, check for any available software updates on both your watch and phone. As a last resort, performing a factory reset on your Galaxy Watch can help resolve persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.